Hello everyone, it's Jody from Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures here, and today we're going to show you the trail sight mounted camera mount. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, today we're going to put this together for you real quick. This is pretty self-intuitive. You just put the screws into the countersink holes and then screw the nut on the back of it on both sides to get this little plate on, this little ledge, I would say, call that, as you can see here. So this is pretty easy to do, so we're not going to go into great granular detail on it. You will need a 5/16 wrench. It does come with a T30 Torx, I guess, like for a better term, an Allen wrench. You can see it there kind of to the right. You will need another T30 Torx bit to go opposite of that when you're screwing those other bolts in. We'll cover that here in a little bit. So we'll get this ring wrapped up and we'll show you how it goes. So you'll see here we're taking the factory outer parts out of the sight line. You will have to hold the inner side with another T30. We were able to screw it with just by our finger pressure, but to put these back on, you'll see here I put a T30 slot there. That way you can see we're using that to hold the inner one still, because they do move together if you don't. So once we get those out, we'll put this thing up and let's get it going. So yeah, once you get that lined up, you just put the new bolts in, kind of hold the other one back just to get it threaded in just a little bit. And then once you get it threaded in a little bit, you'll get it kind of positioned where you want it. You'll use the back T30 to hold, and use the front one to screw it tight, position it where you want it, and tighten it down. You're ready to go. All right, once you get the little plate attached, you'll just slide this over it. The little knob right there, you just turn it clockwise until it's good and tight. That holds the handle in place. So after that point, you're ready to mount. All right, just to try this out, we went over here on the lake shore just to kind of test out, see how it looked. You'll notice it kind of sits toward the camera, faces towards the center of the truck. This is the straight up or straight vertical, so you don't see any of the front of the truck on here. So if this is the kind of footage you want, down low and straight shot, this would be ideal. We typically film ours on top of the roof, but some people may prefer this option as well. We also moved it very far forward, probably about a 45-degree angle, just to see what it would look like facing downward some. I don't think this is ideal, at least in my opinion. It does show you what you're going to hit right before it gets to the truck, but you can't see over the bumper or over the hood that well. So I probably wouldn't recommend doing it this shot unless you just really find it useful. Overall, I'd say this is not too bad of a value. It's a very affordable price. I would like to get the 360 camera on here with a short selfie stick to see how it looks, and that might be the way I use it primarily. But anyway, we got a link down below using our Amazon affiliate link, if you wouldn't mind to use that if you plan on purchase one of these. As always, please like and subscribe, and we'll got more stuff to come.